join the 28-hour SQL Server Masterclass on the Udemy platform for only $15 instead of $89. Learn how to become a future developer or either a future DBA or performance expert on SQL Server with 150 exercises. The link to the promotion is in the video description. Okay? Want to get started on SQL Server? Then join me. What is a view? A view is kind of a virtual table. It actually contains the result on an SQL query that you define when creating a view. It only contains the result of an SQL query. Okay? A view is used exactly like a table in SQL queries. So it makes writing queries much easier. The view is simply a virtual table. Okay? So let's go for the demonstration now. Okay, let's go for the view demo using information database as usual. So I have the request just below. There is something that exists for this kind of query that we need to set. We call it views. The problem is that I have to save the query each time or type it again by hand. Okay, which is a bit complicated every morning. So we are going to create a view. Okay, so the syntax is create view. Okay, as create view with the name of my view as, and I put my code. Okay, you can see it's very simple. Just create a view. The view has been created, and if we look for the management studio, sorry, if I do a refresh on the view, I have my view which appears, which I created previously. It also has column like a table. Okay, so in the view folder, column, and the three columns: total, gender, and date of birth. A column as here: total, gender, and date of birth. Okay, so I will select with view. It's like the select from a table. It's simple. Select from my simple view, and I have my result. Okay, it's the same result that the query inside the view. Understand? I can also put filters in my view. I can call just a column. Okay, I can like a table, select total from my simple view. Okay, and what does this give? Just 2. So no need to retype the request every time. It's now saved by a view. So I no longer need to retype the code. I have to type every morning to get my result. I put in the view and I am safe. We will do a practical case in terms of security. For example, I want Michael to see only people under 30 years old. Okay? So for Michael, create view, select from contact where age under 30, and another view for John, only see who's under 30 years old. So create 2 views for Michael and John. And John, it's for the person where age greater than 30. So let's create the two view, create view for Michael and create view for John. And if we look in Management Studio, you can see that the two views have been created. Create view for John and create view for Michael. Okay? And what does the select give for the two view? So select from view John, and you can see that John have a view with the edge greater than 30. Okay, so John can only see well people over 30 years of age. You can also ensure a better filtering at the security level. Okay, please notice this. And if I want the select from view Michael, you can see that Michael see only the person which with the age under 30 years old. Okay. Don't forget that it's a good option for the security. Okay. If I want, for example, that two people don't see the same data, so we can create view. We can think of that too. So can we put an update in a view? Create view as update contact. If we can put an update in a view. It doesn't work. It's not possible. Can we put a delay in a view? It's the same error message. It doesn't work. And can I put an insert? Not possible. Only the select can be put in the view, contrary to the storage procedure. We will talk about them in the next section for the storage procedure. In a storage procedure, we can put an insert, a delete, an update, a select, whatever we want in them. Editing a view, for example, I want to change a piece of my query in my view. I want to change the mail by the female. So I want to change it's an alter view. Okay, that's like create table, alter table, it's alter view. Okay. If you want to modify an object in SQL Server, it's alter. You can do this with Management Studio. Right click, script, view as, and alter. Okay, to a new cover editor Windows. And the alter is here. And if I change the mail mode, I run execute. And if I do a select from my view, you can see that the result have changed. Now it's somewhere for the total of 1. Okay, alter view for change a view. To rename my view, it's like the SP rename like a table. SP rename my view, comma, and the new name I want to give to my new view, SP rename. Let's run this query, and if I do a refresh on Management Studio, in Management Studio, you can see that view now it's view 2. This can also be done with SSMS. You can change. You click on the touch F2 or right click on rename, and you put the name simple view. And for the delete, it's drop view. Drop view as drop table. Okay? Drop view, simple view, and the view as disappear in Management Studio. You can see that it's quite simple to drop view in SQL Server. So in this demonstration, we have seen how to create the view, modify, renaming, and deleting a view. And we will move on the next section now.